Bullish Bitcoin gold cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $81.21 and $176.85 by 2030. Market experts accept BTG could reach $81.21 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin gold market cost expectation for 2022 is $14.44. Bitcoin gold presentation. Bitcoin gold is a fork of the Pinnacle coin Bitcoin, made in 2017 to furnish a stage that arrangements with the versatility constraints of the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin versatility issue focuses to the failure of the Bitcoin organization to deal with countless exchanges all the while, bringing about successive organization clogs and, thusly, a climb in exchange expenses on the organization. This issue is ascribed to the restricted size and recurrence of the blocks on the blockchain network. On the Bitcoin organization, a typical block creation time is 10 minutes, with a block size of 1 megabyte, making a handling capacity of around 3.4 to 7 exchanges each second. While this was fine when Bitcoin was traded for pizzas and moved among generally close and hardly any organizations of clients, it turned into a test as the crypto market traffic rose to many million exchanges. As a component of endeavors to make a more versatile organization, Bitcoin Gold was made to turn into an easy-to-understand elective. As one of the main forks of the Bitcoin network, Bitcoin Gold held the security and durability of the Bitcoin chain, yet with further developed innovation for adaptability and extension. The organization intends to give a coin the qualities and capacities of the Bitcoin, however, without its shortcomings. Consequently, it got rid of the Bitcoin hash power assets and set out open doors for decentralized finance and dApps to utilize the stage, an extravagance which was at first incomprehensible on the Bitcoin network. What is Bitcoin Gold? Bitcoin Gold was established by Yin Hang and Kuvangjeev Martin, the computerized resource meant to make an undertaking with the capacities of the Bitcoin blockchain with new inventive increases for outsider turn of events and decentralized application. One of its greatest longings is to change the Bitcoin mining process through the confirmation of work agreement calculation, which settles the adaptability challenges that limit the remarkable development of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin Gold is an open-source convention that gives a stage to engineers to partake in the blockchain's turn of events and administration. The organization considers unhindered support a prerequisite for advancing expanded cooperation and decentralized applications. Bitcoin Gold is a digital currency with the basic qualities of the Bitcoin, yet rather than mine on complex ASIC mining equipment, which will in general make a couple of noticeable and compelling players because of the expense-serious nature of the mining equipment, Bitcoin Gold is mined utilizing straightforward realistic handling units mining plans, making a level battleground for any intrigued person to take part in the organization. This makes genuine decentralization and autonomy. With this plan of Bitcoin Gold, it genuinely thought that mining prizes wouldn't be packed in that frame of mind of a couple of ASIC mining ranch proprietors. However, all things considered, tips would be spread across people all around the organization. Bitcoin Gold purposes the evidence of work agreement calculation. Not at all like Bitcoin, it presents the equihash POW, making GPU mining conceivable. It wiped out Bitcoin's dependence on application-explicit coordinated circuits diggers. Its equihash configuration requires more memory than the ASIC equipment, yet moves along as expected on realistic cards. The equihash centers around the handling power that diggers can produce. Bitcoin Gold current cost. Bitcoin Gold is right now worth $18.05 USD. BTG has moved 0.88% as of now with an exchanging volume of $13,892,106. Bitcoin Gold is right now positioned 111 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $316,049,551 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Bitcoin Gold market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2022. Bitcoin Gold, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The BTG cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $27.07. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $25.26 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. BTG is supposed to have a base worth of $21.65. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Bitcoin Gold BTG cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BTG will before long outperform $45.11. Notwithstanding, We ought to stand by to check whether the BTG's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BTG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $36.09 and a typical exchanging cost of $39.70. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $63.16 and BTG might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BTG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $57.75 and a low of $54.14 in 2024. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Bitcoin Gold effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the BTG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BTG will be green in 2025. The BTG is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $81.21, with a base cost of $72.18 and a typical cost of $75.79. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the BTG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $93.84 by 2026, with a base cost of $90.23 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BTG has a greatest value worth of $99.25. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $111.88. In the event that BTG figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $117.30. Neglecting to accumulate the help BTG needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $108.27. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2028. While BTG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $126.32 and a yearly cost close above $135.34 in 2028. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Bitcoin Gold will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $144.36 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $153.39, averaging out at $147.97. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that